Welcome once again to Discover AI.
Welcome.
Today we are looking at OpenAI ChatGPT. It's an AI tool, was just released the other day. It's a conversational AI. You ask it a question and it replies back. So let's start with something simple. Hi. Hello, how can I help you today? Is there something you'd like to talk about or ask me a question about? I'm here to assist you with my information or advice you might need. Feel free to ask me anything. All right. Let me start with the first question. I would like to know how Africa Data School can increase the lifetime value of a customer. So lifetime value means how much revenue one customer continues to give you over the lifetime of them being in your business. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and see what it says. RIP Google. To increase the customer lifetime value of an online tech bootcamp in Africa, there are a few key things you can do. Focus on providing high quality education and a positive learning experience. Offer additional services to your students after they are complete to the bootcamp. Job placement, assistance, and ongoing mentorship. We are doing that. Consider offering different pricing options. Develop a strong brand. Consider partnering with other organizations. Customer business use, for example, could partner with companies. Awesome. I'm actually going to use this. Let's give it a like. For those who are coding out there, if you're not a programmer or a developer, this is likely to solve your problems. Or if you're a developer and you're looking for answers for a bug or code that you're writing, let's try and write a function for doing factorial in Python. Voila. Gave me the code, gives me an option to copy code or paste. Write a C function, add. There you go. Let's try create a page. A web page with a header, body, and a footer. Let's see what that brings up. It's just given me all the code right here. I can copy and paste. Let's try something else. Probably let's look for ideas. How to make money during a recession. Consider starting a side hustle. Look for ways to cut costs and save money. Seek out opportunities to invest. Stay flexible. Keep an emergency fund. Wow. How about we see who will win the World Cup? Let's ask that question. Who will win the World Cup? I'm sorry, but I'm not able to provide information on current or future events as my training data only goes up until 2021 and I'm not able to browse the internet. The function is to assist with information and advice based on my pre-existing knowledge. As you can see, this is likely to become your number one search engine. You better than Google. Hey, this AI is really modest. My aim is to be helpful and accurate, to provide helpful and accurate information to assist users with their questions and inquiries to the best of my ability. Let's try one more. What's the fastest routes from Muru to Nairobi? As I'm a large language model trained by OpenAI. Okay, I can give results on directions. What does GPT mean? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a type of large language model developed by OpenAI that is trained using unsupervised learning on a massive amount of text data. I think this one is going to be really good for people who are coding. They use Stack Overflow a lot. And this is likely to change how they use the internet for debugging. Kudos to OpenAI for this milestone. I can't wait to see what they have for us in the future. Thanks for tuning in once again. This is Discover AI, a discovery channel for AI. See you next time. Peace.